Hey everybody, John Durso here from Brilliant Business Strategies. And today we're going to talk about the next level, the leveled up version of our LinkedIn QR code tiny URL trick. Okay, so who likes dealing with customers who never make a decision? They take forever. They get back to you. They have to think it over. Okay, that's a certain personality type. And then there's the other clients and prospects who make a decision quick, right? You give them a little bit of information, they take it in, they go, you know what, I'm in, let's go, right? Those are more of a driver personality. Did you know that you can search LinkedIn for certain words that people write on their LinkedIn pages that would indicate certain personality type? Okay. So what you do is you go up to the search, you hit quotes, and let's think, what would a driver get it done type of person write about themselves on their LinkedIn page? They would say that they are driven. Very simple. You hit enter, and now it's going to come back and show you pages where the word driven appears. It'll be people, but it also could be posts. Well, we want just people. So we go to the filtering line and we hit people. Then we go to our first level connection. So I know 322 people that I'm connected with where the word driven appears on their page someplace. And looking at this list of people that I personally know, yeah, they are all driver type personalities. Okay. You can search for other things. Let's say that you are a college process counselor and you help families go through the college process of applying, finding grants, the SATs. Well, your client is a parent of a student. Okay. Well, kind of hard to find on LinkedIn. It's not exactly, putting it out there, right? But you could search for proud mom. That's a phrase that this potential prospect may put on their LinkedIn page. Again, I need to tell it. Show me people that have the word proud mom appearing on their page. So I know 4 people. Now here's the word proud CEO, but here is proud mom. Here is proud mom. So start to think about your clients might write on their LinkedIn page. What phrase might be common among what your clients think about themselves? And you can search for it in quotes on LinkedIn and essentially take that list and do what's in my other video, make a QR code and a tiny URL and share that with people in your referral source circle. And that way they have a custom list of who you want to talk to. So again, John Durso, Brilliant Business Strategies. Thanks a lot. Good luck to you.